Hi everyone, I am back with another video. This is part of a new series. I don't know if it's going to be weekly or monthly or bi-weekly. I have not decided yet, but it is going to be called Mickey Mondays. So what it will entail is a project share that has to do with Disney. It will have to do with maybe just doing a journal page or some kind of tutorial. So it's going to be separate from the Mickey mini card series, but I love making Disney projects, and I just figured that I would add another series to the channel, so should be fun. Today's first video is only a project share. I can do a tutorial if everybody is wanting a tutorial, but all I did was just use this Nghgghg die set. It's like a little mini die. I don't know what it's called. I cut the thing off so I could fit it in my Sizzix envelope here, but it's basically this. So this is what mine turned out like. I made this little charm. It's like a little scissor charm right here. So I just attached that to the twine that I tied, and that's how the book stays together. But this is my little, I guess, mini album. I used crumb cake cardstock from Stampin' Up! As my base, and then just some black Recollections cardstock on top, and then all of the papers and most of the ephemera stuff in here is from the Simple Stories, Say Cheese and Say Cheese 2, I believe. And then I have some little Mickey heads that I punched out with my EK Success punch, and this little film die. So that is actually an EK Success punch. It's like a border strip or whatever, and I just cut it, so I put that in there. And then I've got these little matte enameled dots here. I got them at a scrapbook expo a few years back. So this is what it looks like. I did mine where there's enough for 4 photos. This is part of the die set where you can make this little tag. Excuse me. And then you can punch out these little circles, or not punch them out, but you can cut out the little circles. Those are in the die set as well. So I did that, and you can actually fit, you can actually fit the photo behind these pieces that overlap. And then this is just a decorative page. I had some glittery washi tape. So here's another spot for a photo, and again, this, you can stick the photo underneath if you need to. And then here as well. So there's 2, and then another decorative page, and then the last one over here on the end. And again, you can stick your photo in there, and then that's just the back. So super quick, super easy project. I only did two pages. It cuts out a page this size, and then it does cut out the holes when you run it through, and then you just tie it with twine or something thin. I didn't want it too bulky, so it would stay open. Yeah, super cute little project. That's using this Nghgghg little mini notebook thing. So that's the first video for the Mickey Monday, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new series coming, if you have any requests for it. I think that's it. Any questions or anything concerning this project, go ahead and leave that in the comments below as well. And thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!